What's going on, guys? It's Eric here from Dose of VT, bringing you guys another video. So I might have an alternative to basically the wireless charging pad Apple did not come out with, AirPower. So we'll see if this is legit. I bought this off of Amazon. It was $46 and some like change or whatever that. So basically it said it's able to charge basically the Apple Watch, two phones, but we're gonna see if it will charge the AirPods or not. So we'll find out here in a second. So that's what the pad looks like right there. I guess it comes with this charging brick, Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. So we'll find out if that's legit. It has like some Chinese writing on there, so we'll really find out. Then I guess they threw this in for like free. I don't know. I know I just paid for this, and I didn't think it came with this, but I don't know if they messed up or something stupid like that, so I guess we'll find out. But we'll start with the wireless charging pad here first. So looking at it, looks pretty nice. Obviously where your crosshairs are, or at least that's what I would call them, crosshairs. That's where you would put your phone and stuff like that. Then this part's supposed to come up. I wonder if we can just keep that down, if it'll still charge up or not. I guess we'll find out. On the back, all it says is 3-in-1 fast wireless charging. It has input 5 watts, 2 amps, 9 volts, 1.67 amps. For the phone, it does 5 watts, 7.5, and 10 watts. Then the watch does 2 watts. So when you do look at wattage for the phone, the iPhone will not go up to 10 watts. It only does 7.5, I believe. If you have a Samsung, it'll do all the way up to 10 watts. So if you're a person that has like 2 phones, stuff like that, then you'll get that 10 watt. But for whatever reason, Apple doesn't let the phone go that high. I think it's due to like heat issues and stuff like that. But that's just something to keep in mind, that when you are looking out there for wireless chargers, if you get one that goes all the way up to 10 wattage and your phone, whatever phone you might have, can do that, then definitely buy that, because you'll get really fast charging compared to anything else. Obviously nothing's as fast as actually using wired, but wireless is starting to come around with speed. So let's see here. You get the little charging brick, which is in here, and it looks like they just have some paperwork, stuff like that. Looks like nothing too impressive. This is the English side, then I guess there's like some Chinese side, whatever's on there, but not really worried about that. Just your normal charging brick. Nothing too special there. Obviously, just your normal USB. So we'll plug this in. We'll see if anything happens. There's like no beeps, no nothing like that, I heard. So far so good, I guess. Then we'll open up this case and see what this is all about. So opening this up, if it wants to come undone here. It's basically just a normal case. It's white. This is definitely hard plastic for sure. This isn't something that is soft at all. To let you guys know here, I'll show you in a second. Let me rip this off real quick. So I'm guessing this comes with it just because it has that option. So if you had the AirPods and you had the first generation ones, obviously they don't have charging, but as you guys can see down there, that's a lightning port. So I'm guessing this is what's going to transfer the wireless charging, obviously that pad back there. But I have the second generation right here. It's in this case. I got this case from Best Buy. So we'll see how it does here. A little dirty. First time taking it out of the case, so definitely gotta clean it up a little bit. But Clean it up here so it's not so dirty. But let me slap it down here and see if it charges. Yep, as you guys can, if you guys can see that right there, there's a lot of light, but that is an orange light right there. Then I take it off, it went away. Put it on, it's charging. Let's see if it still works. So not right there, 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 not right there. So you have to be pretty spot on, it looks like. Then does it charge on this? Yeah, you have to be pretty spot on, just a little hair off to the left or right kind of messes with it. So if it's not within that little area, it's definitely going to mess it up. So if we drop it down in here, we won't be able to see the light. Hopefully it is charging through that. But that's pretty nice, kind of nifty. But yeah, there's that. Then I have my phone right here. We'll open this sucker up and see. As you guys can see, if you guys can see that, the charging symbol is right up there. It is currently charging right now. Then if you move it over, still charging. Take it all the way up. Yep, it's charging up. Here, I'll do it with the screen lock so you guys can see. See, it charges up just fine. No problems on both of these. Let's see. Won't charge right there. Won't charge right there. So you have to be decently accurate with this. Then let me get the Apple Watch here and see if we can charge that up. So now with the Apple Watch, there's like there's this little thing that can pop up, so you can have it up if you want, or you can have it down. So there is the Apple Watch. This is the Series 4. So with it currently down, it is charging. If you guys can see that, it's charging right up. Take it off. It is magnet. Obviously, that's what you need to have the Apple Watch work. Then let's see if I was to put it on like that. As you guys can see, it's charging up. And then it went obviously into that mode. It does not go back, so it only goes up and down. So let's see if I can charge all three at one time. So that's charging up. Earpods. Charging up. As you guys can see, the Apple Watch is still charging. Earpods are still charging. Just turn the phone on. And that's charging. So interesting. I don't know if you guys saw that. Let's see if I can make this. So I'm gonna put the phone down. The phone is charging. As you guys saw the icon up there and obviously on the screen. That's still charging. As you guys can see that the little emblem right there. Now the Earpods are charging. So before it went off, I don't know if I hit the Earpods or not. See, it went off again. I don't think my Earpods are fully charged. They shouldn't be because I used them today. But yeah, that's weird. So you gotta be... That's interesting. It keeps going off. Let's see here. We'll open that up. So case is at 9%. Earpods are at 100. So put that on there. That's not... Interesting. See, I wonder if it's... The light's not on, so it's gotta mean it's not charging. So if I was to switch it... So they're both charging. Still charging. We're still doing good. And then the light goes off, so I don't know. Everything's still charging up, then the light goes off. Hang on, let me try something. I wonder if it's the brick not putting enough power out. So I'm going to get my iPhone brick, and we'll see what happens there. Actually, I grabbed this would be for like an iPad or something like that, so this definitely is going to put out a lot of juice. Maybe more than what that's consistent of, so let's see what happens. So now everything's charging, everything's working, then the light goes off. Interesting. So if we were to pop this open, did it charge at all? Nope, hasn't charged up. See, it's charging up, charging up. Still charging. Then the light goes off. That's weird. So I'm guessing this little charging pad isn't getting enough juice to it. That's really interesting. That's good to know. I mean, obviously, with certain things out there, you can never trust it. Like, there's a lot of power coming into this, and that's why you guys can see it was kind of hard for Apple to get what they wanted, especially trying to interpret the software into what was actually going on to be able to tell you what every percentage of everything was at. But that's really weird. That kind of sucks too, because I was hoping I could use all three of these to have this charge up, but obviously it's not drawing enough current, or something's tripping in this to make it not work. I don't know if I just have a faulty one or what's going on here, because the light keeps dying out no matter where I have it at. Yep, keeps going off. I don't know. So guys, I would totally not recommend this option. I mean, obviously you only can charge 2 things, and the goal was to charge 3, so I'll be sending this back definitely to Amazon, so I do not recommend you buy this. Obviously it can't charge all 3, and it won't, so it's back to the drawing board to find out what can. But let me know if you guys have any questions about wireless charging pads, if finding a 3 is even feasible. I know there's one thing, I can't remember what it is, but it costs like $100 for like one of these, and from the other YouTube videos I watched, it works pretty good, but you're spending like $100-something. So if you're willing to spend that much money just to charge up all 3 devices, then it might be worth it in the end. But it just depends how much you're going to use that. But obviously spending $47 roughly is definitely not worth it if I only can charge 2 things. Like, I can totally get cheaper items for sure. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.